Welcome back to another 10-minute workout. We are ringing in the new year with a brand new challenge. We've got 2 challenges in one: goal setting and Kick Choreo Club. If you didn't get a sneak peek into how I set my goals, you can watch this video right here. But for the next 4 Saturdays, we are going to get very intentional with each category of goal setting. Plus, we're gonna be doing this together as a community, so you're gonna have so much more accountability to actually take action on your goals. The second part of the challenge is Kick Choreo Club. Every Saturday in January, we're gonna learn a different kickboxing combination, and then we're gonna put it all together to a secret song that I haven't announced yet. Subscribe to my channel for more 10-minute videos, as well as some goal setting tips, and leave a comment below if you have any specific workouts you wanna do. I wanted to give you a sneak peek today into my signature format, Kick Choreo. If you need a refresher on the kickboxing moves, you can go ahead and watch these videos. Let's get going. Let's get started in our boxer shuffle. So we're just shifting our weight side to side. You're gonna get that right hip forward to start, arms up in front of your face. We're gonna start with that right jab. In 4, 3, 2, let's go. We jab, jab. So we're keeping that arm sharp. We're keeping it up in line with our shoulder. We're moving on the beat for this kickboxing. We're gonna change directions in 4, 3. We're going front diagonal, back diagonal. We're going front, back. You can always take out that hop to make it a little lower impact. Hunch it like you mean it. You have 4, and 3, 2, right hip stays forward, jab it high. We're going up, squat down. Jab it up and down. Keep that left arm up, double it out. 2 up, 2 down. Focus on that range of motion. Get nice and low with this. Up and down. 4, 3, 2, jab, cross. We're going jab, cross. Remember that cross. Your back hip comes forward. Keep it sharp. Woo! 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms up, high and low. 2 up, 2 down, jab, cross. 4, 3, again. Up, down 4 times. 4, 3, again. Take it up and down. Woo! Up and down, keep it sharp. One more time, high, low, jab, cross, boxer shuffle. From the top, jab front, jab back, let's go. One more time, jab high, jab low, jab cross, again, to the front. One more time, high and low, woo, jab cross. Last time, front. One more time, high and low, jab cross, back knee to chest. Pull it up, knee up, knee up. Just drive it up, reach those arms. Up, we're gonna add on 2 knees, 1 front kick. In 4, 3, start with those 2 knees. Knee, knee, kick, step down. Knee, knee, big kick, press through that heel, reach your arms. Woo, press through that heel. Knee, knee, core stays tight. Sharp legs. Kick it. One more time. Kick it. Amazing. Boxer shuffle. All right, we're putting it all together. You ready? Front, back. Keep that boxer shuffle right here. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Here we go, take it up. Again, 2 high. Jab, cross, 2 knees, front kick, step it down, boxer shuffle. 4, 3, let's do it again. Up, again. 2 high, 2 low, jab, cross. 2 knees, kick it, boxer shuffle. One more time. 4, 3, 2, jab, front and back. 2 high, 2 low. Jab, cross, 2 knees. Big kick, squat it front. Squat it front, hold it. We're gonna take that left shoulder, dip it side, step, tap, tap. Woo! Core tight, shift it side to side, you have 4. In 3, 2, and 1. Backside shuffle. We're gonna use those dips to travel to the left side. Right hip forward. In 4, 3, jab to the diagonals. Again, high and low. Jab, cross, 2 knees, big kick, squat to the center, dip it, travel it, 2 more. That's it, boxer shuffle. Right hip forward, arms up, 4, 3, jab it out. Up and down, jab, cross, 2 knees, big kick, squat front, dip it, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, fully here. Left hip forward from the top. Jab front, 4, 3, let's go. Sharp jab, sharp. Getting ready to change that direction. Here we go, front and back. Again, option, low impact, step it. Sharp arm still. 4, 3, 2, singles, jab high, jab low. Up, squat down, high, low. Focus on the range of motion in those legs. Oh yeah, you have 4, 3, 2, you ready to double time it? Here we go, 2 up, 2 down. Up and down. Press into your heels. Let's go for a 4, 3, 2, jab, cross, let's go. Power in those arms. Pivot your hip forward, pivot that shoulder forward. Ha, ha. 8, 6, you have 4, 3, jab high, jab low 2 times. Jab, cross. Again, up, down, jab, cross, 2 more times. 1 more time. Jab, cross, boxer shuffle. Let's do it from the top, all right? Arms up, jab front and back. 4, 3, let's go. Diagonal. High and low. Jab, cross. Again, front and back. Again. High and low. Jab, cross. 1 more time. Front. Woo! High and low. Jab, cross. Back knee to chest. Pull it up. Crunch those abs up. Keep it sharp. Hey. Almost there, just 8. In 6, 2 knees, 1 front kick. 4, 3. Here we go, 2 knees. Kick that front leg. Reset it. Knee, knee, kick. Step back. Knee, knee. Last time. Knee, knee, kick, boxer shuffle. Get that left hip forward from the top, from the jabs. 4, 3. Here we go, jab it to the diagonals. Again. High and low. Jab, cross. 2 knees. Front kick. Yes, boxer shuffle. From the top, arms up. 4, 3, 2, diagonals. Double high, double low. Jab, cross. 2 knees. Kick it, squat it. All right, stay down. Start with that right shoulder. Dip it to the side, let's go. Step, tap. Tap, tap. Bend those knees, get low. Woo! All right, you have 4, 3, 2, that's it, boxer shuffle. Left hip forward from the top. 4, 3, jab it out, let's go. Ha, 2 more. Jab it high, jab it low. Jab, cross. 2 knees, kick it, squat, right shoulder. 4, 3, travel it. Don't forget that travel. Boxer shuffle. Left hip forward from the top. 4, 3, jab it out right here. Jab. Hey, high and low. Jab, cross. 2 knees. Big kick, squat, right shoulder. 4, travel, 3, 2, 1. Boxer shuffle. You ready? Best part, right here. Right and left, fusing it together. Right hip forward, arms up in front of your face. Hey, let's do it in 4, 3, diagonal punches. High and low after this. Here we go. Jab, cross. 2 knees, front kick, squat down, travel it. 4, 3, jab to the diagonal. 2 high, 2 low. Jab, cross. 2 knees, front kick, squat down, shoulders. 4, 3, 2, boxer shuffle. How'd we do? Good. One more time like that. You can always replay this and relearn it. Arms up. Let's do this. Woo. Full out, okay? 4, 3, diagonals. High and low. Jab, cross. 2 knees. Big kick. Squat down, dip it, travel it to the right. Jab it out. High and low. Jab, cross. 2 knees, kick. Squat it, dip it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boxer shuffle. Yes. One more time. Full out. Biggest one ever. Let's go, arms up. Right hip forward. Punch it like you mean it. In 4, 3, diagonal punches. High and low. Jab, cross. 2 knees, front kick, squat down, dip it. Diagonal punches. Oh. High and low. Hey, jab, cross. 2 knees, front kick, squat down, travel it to the left, dip. Amazing. Step touch. Give yourself a big round of applause. Inhale, arms up. Exhale it out. Again, arms up. Exhale it out. That was a sneak peek into KickChoreo. So much more to come in January. That is a crowd favorite because you have to stay focused on the choreography. If you let your mind wander, you forget the choreography, you get really lost. So it really forces you to stay in the moment. Let's move into the new year strong, confident, and ready to kick some ass. So if you want in on that goal setting and KickChoreo Club January challenge, check the link below so you can join the Rich Motion Virtual Studio. And I've got 1 week free for you so you can try out all the different formats. Subscribe to my channel for more 10-minute workout videos that you can do right during your lunch break.